everybody. This is Chris McHale. I'm the CEO and co-founder of SPK and Associates, and I'm here with Vish Reddy, who is a co-founder, right, and CEO or president. Now you have to introduce yourself of Revyz, and I'm super excited to talk to him again. Go ahead and introduce your actual titles and all that, Vish.
All right. Thank you so much, Chris. Good to talk to you again.
Yes.
And yes, I'm the co-founder and CEO for Revyz. Again, don't believe too much in titles.
Right, I know.
It is what it is. We do everything.
Yes, yes. Yeah, those of us who work in smaller companies, we know the many hat syndrome, but that's what makes it fun.
Yep,
right?
absolutely.
So let's see, we spoke last in September, Vish, and had a wonderful conversation, which I think we're going to present the link to that somewhere, that people can go take a listen to that as well if they want. But just to start us off, some of the people listening of our audience may not know anything about Revyz or what you all do. So why don't you give us a little intro again?
Yeah, absolutely. Again, thank you so much for inviting me today here. Back in September, when we launched our Revyz and our first Atlassian marketplace app, we were helping solve the problem of data protection, backup and recovery for all those customers who are moving to the cloud. As everybody knows, I think it's February 24th is the date for next year when you have to move from server to cloud. And so we were filling in that critical gap out there and helping customers automate the data protection process. Okay,
great. And you're getting a lot of, I just see you all over the place these days, which is exciting because we've loved working with you. So since 6 months ago when you and I spoke in September, what's new? What's been happening? Why don't you fill us in on your story?
Yeah, no, it's the last 6 months have been incredible in terms of customer feedback, engaging a whole bunch of folks in the Atlassian ecosystem, be it Atlassian themselves or administrators who are using the cloud products, and more in understanding all the different pain points which they have. What we actually did end up doing was we said, backup and restore data protection is important. But there are other areas which Atlassian administrators struggle with. How can we make their day-to-day activities much more simpler so that they can start focusing on more of the bigger picture things, helping the business in driving whatever strategic initiatives they have. And so we sort of added, I guess, 3 more pillars, right? As you can see on my virtual background, there are 4 things which the Revyz data manager for Jira does now. And this is actually new. This is something which we're going to be talking about in the upcoming Teams event, I guess in a few hours, so to speak, which is managing your Atlassian data in the cloud. Managing meaning, a lot of enterprises first develop stuff in their sandbox, and then they want to move that into the production environment. Today, most of that work is done manually. We want to make it automated, having audit logs, security, and so on and so forth. Protection, data backup and recovery, which is what we started off with. We also want to provide administrator-focused analytics, meaning how much data do you have, how many projects do you have, how many workflows do you have. I want to give them a sense of the complexity with which what they're dealing with. And then lastly, given that we're going to be showing all of this complexity which they're dealing with, how do you go and optimize your Jira site?
Right.
Now, what we have built out helps Jira administrators, it helps Jira consultants, it helps them go much more faster, helps them be more efficient so that they can, again, focus on bigger and better things to do.
Right. So removing manual tasks and removing the errors and the tedium that go along with those. So that's great. That's wonderful. Let's see. I also heard from a little bird that you're nominated for a couple of awards coming up at the Atlassian Teams conference. Is that so?
That's right. We are super excited about this. We are nominated for 2 categories. Given that we just started last year, we've been nominated for the I guess a newcomer, or they call it the rising star in the marketplace world, in the Atlassian marketplace world. So we've been nominated for that category. And then the second one, and more importantly, which is the enterprise apps category. What we are building is it's applicable to every customer who is on the cloud. More importantly, for enterprises, big, small, doesn't matter. These problems are faced by every customer. So super excited about that. Looking forward to that very eagerly to see what happens out there.
Right. Well, congratulations on it. That's wonderful. And it's an honor, right? Because there's a lot of marketplace Atlassian partners out there, and getting that honor is wonderful. It's very meaningful.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this is. I think it helps us validate that our strategy in the direction in which we're going. That there's a need out here, and we're filling, addressing that gap which exists in the marketplace today.
Yep. And it's great to see how you're evolving too, and finding other areas that need help, but still staying within what you're doing. And from the beginning, when I heard about you guys and we started to partner and talk to each other, you're filling such an incredibly important role, and we're all grateful you're here doing it.
Thank you for your continued support. I think working with your team has been awesome. Working with your team and customers and getting the message out, and for them to use the tools which you're building has been great.
Yeah, great. Now looking forward to all the wonderful things we're going to continue to do, and seeing you next week also at Atlassian team.
Absolutely. Looking forward to meeting you and the team at the event, and showing you, all the new things which you have built out, all the things which I just talked about. So yes.
Okay, great. All right. Well, thanks, Vish. Thanks for joining us today.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay.